Hi there. What are today's messages? Life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself. All right, which package has our quotes today? Let's pick the box. It takes time to learn how to be alone without being lonely. But once you do, it's called freedom. People hate what they don't understand. I hope you will never see yourself as unworthy just because you couldn't become what someone else wanted you to be. Loving someone through their flaws is a different type of love language. What do you think? Our expectations of others is what causes us the most grief. Joe Duncan. And the last one today. Sometimes the place you're used to is not the place you belong. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.